Today, we're going to dive into a super useful skill, vectorizing keyer codes in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you two powerful methods, one for low-quality keyer codes and another for good quality ones. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be a keyer code vectorizing pro. So let's say you've got a low-quality keyer code that's too pixelated to scan properly. No worries. We're going to use the rectangle tool and the split into grid option to fix this first. Now, for those of you working with better quality keyer codes, we've got an even easier method. Using the Create Object Mosaic tool, start by selecting your high-quality keyer code image. Then go to Object, hover over Create, and select Create Object Mosaic. Here, you can specify the number of tiles you want. The key is to match the number of blocks in your Q code. Illustrator will automatically convert your image into a perfect vectorized mosaic that retains all the original details. In just a few clicks, your high-quality Q code is now vectorized and ready for any design project. So, there you have it, 2 simple methods to manually vectorize Q codes in Adobe Illustrator, no matter the quality of the original image. Whether you're working with a pixelated mess or a sharp image, you've got the tools you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials.